Alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Today we are going to learn the correct use of adverbs in English. What is the meaning of adverb? Actually, adverb is a word that describes or gives more information about a verb, adjective, adverb or phrase. In this lesson, we will see two sentences. And between two sentences, we will find out the correct expression, especially on the uses of adverbs. Let's get started. Let's see these two sentences. I last night went to the museum, or I went to the museum last night. So which sentence is correct here? I went to the museum last night, right? Because this is adverb of time, and basically adverb of time will be used if it indicates the time. It will be used in the last of the sentence. I went to the museum last night. So you cannot say I last night went to the museum. It's the wrong expression. Now let's see the next sentences. They come always late to school. They come always late to school. And they always come late to school. Which one is correct expression? The second one. They always come late to school. The always is an adverb here, and it is called adverb of frequency. So in that case, usually adverb of frequency will use after subject. So subject is here they, then always, then we have to use verb come late to school. So the first expression is a wrong one. They come always late to school. It will not be. Let's see the next one. They are always late, and they always are late. So you see, you have seen already the use of always. That was they always come. They always come late to school. In that sentence, we have used always after they. But here, they are always late. Here you see are is be verb, and usually for using adverb of frequency after be verb, we will use the adverb. So here it will be they are always late. They are always late. It's the correct one. They always are late. It will not be. They are always late. Now let's see the next slide. Okay. You see, our boys will be tomorrow here. Our boys will be tomorrow here, or our boys will be here tomorrow. Which one is correct? Obviously the second one, right? Because you know this is adverb of time and place. So when adverb of time, time indicates tomorrow and place indicates here. So our boys will be here tomorrow. If we see all together time and place in any sentence, in that case we have to use at first place and then time. Place and then time. So it will be, our boys will be here tomorrow. So the first expression is not the correct one. Our boys will be tomorrow here. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Okay. You see, is the room enough large for you, or is the room large enough for you? Which one is correct here? You see here, enough is your adverb. Okay, enough is your adverb here. Is the room enough large for you, or is the room large enough? Actually, the use of enough, as we know that adjective plus enough, adjective plus enough. So before enough, large is adjective here. So enough is a adverb. So is the room large enough for you? So the second one will be the correct one. Is the room large enough for you? Is the room large enough for you? Now let's see the next one. He wrote carefully his exercise, or he wrote his exercise carefully. Actually here you see carefully is an adverb, right? And this is called adverb of manner, adverb of manner. So basically adverb of manner is used after object. He wrote his exercise carefully. This one is the correct one. So you can write down, he wrote carefully his exercise. He wrote his exercise carefully. So I hope, dear learners, that's all for today, dear learners. I hope you have understood today's lesson. So if you like today's lesson, you please like, share, comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.